Hi friends, I'm on my way to office and just some time back I saw one video of Yatinder Singh. It made me think, in terms of men's mental health, and wanted to share my views on it. So I'm currently on my way to office and it's almost 40-45 minutes drive. So I'm being chauffeured, so I thought I'll utilize the time to express my views about that particular video and what I feel with respect to men's mental health or other mental health in general. Right. So I just filled some gas on the way and now we are again on the road.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm talking to a video. Follow bodybuilding.
बॉडी
हाँ,
कौन सा बॉडी बिल्डिंग?
बॉडीबिल्डिंग स्पोर्ट्स है ना,
हाँ।
फॉलो करते हैं?
नहीं सर।
नहीं. तो एक वीडियो आया था.
ओके।
एक बॉडी बिल्डर, बहुत फेमस इंडिया का बॉडी बिल्डर है,
ओके सर।
यतिंदर सिंह.
जितेंद्र सिंह। ओके।
करोड़ों का पैसा है.
उसका?
हाँ.
ओके सर।
बहुत फेमस बॉडी बिल्डर है, मिस्टर वर्ल्ड, मिस्टर इंडिया रह चुका. वो क्या है, बिजनेस, सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस भी चल रहा है, पैसे का कोई कमी नहीं,
हाँ सर।
फैमिली का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
ओके।
वो पूरा एकदम कपड़ा वपड़ा उतार के ग्लास विस्की या कुछ ड्रिंक्स का ग्लास लेके वीडियो बनाया था. मतलब इतना डिप्रेशन में चला गया वो आदमी.
ओके सर।
तो पूरा एकदम सब बॉडी बिल्डिंग कम्युनिटी, बहुत फेमस आदमी है, जो बॉडी बिल्डिंग फॉलो करता है सब जानता है. तो वो बोलता है कि मर्दों का तकलीफ कोई दिखता नहीं, मेन का जो लाइफ का प्रॉब्लम है, मेन्स लाइफ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? एंड मेन विल नॉट एक्सप्रेस वो लोग व्हाट दे आर गोइंग थ्रू इन देयर लाइफ. सो बट सो मच टेंशन इन देयर लाइफ that famous personality like that is having to make a video like this kind, right? Which is kind of an indicator that so much stress, even if money is there, family tension, right? So that's what I wanted to share my thought. So I was expressing my views about it. So I was just explaining him as to what I am making the video about. So I think see, I have no comments in terms of what I feel about Yatinder Singh and what he might be going through, like and I'm 100% sure that the person that he is definitely going to come out of it in another next 5-6 months time. But the key here is to understand that what usually leads to such situation. And I'm not talking about people who are like having a survival struggle. Stress for them I can completely understand, like people who are finding it difficult to earn a livelihood, right, maintain their family. So stress for them is completely understandable. Where we get it wrong is that once we don't have those tensions in life, right, stress can still come in. And this video of Yatinder Singh clearly tells us that mental health and the challenges of it doesn't subside by having money in the bank or having no family tensions in your family. So I don't want to give any comments in terms of what Yatinder Singh needs to do, because I am sure 100% that he is going to come out of it quite strong. Being the person that he is, I'll be surprised if he is not out of it. But I would rather be saying what are the situations such as this and how this can happen, and any individual's life, and how we can get over it or learn how to navigate these challenges. Alright, so the first thing that comes in my mind is like when you have nothing, right, and you are starting from zero, that time your drive and your goal is to achieve something in life, right? And that's what takes you forward, and there is a single-mindedness about that phase of life, that all this mental pressure and things like that, you take it on your stride and move forward towards the goal. So recently I made one video where I shared one quote, right, that hard times make strong men, right? Strong men make soft times, and soft times yield weak men, and weak men yield hard times. So sometimes, or rather many a times, we ourselves are the cause of our mental tension and the stress that we bring in our life. Like when we don't have anything, we work hard for it, and when we have everything, we forget the routine, the discipline that took us to where we are today in life, and we tend to deviate towards things which otherwise, when we didn't have resources, we won't entertain, right? And that's where the trouble starts, right? You become complacent, yeah, and so it's important for us, right, when you have all the resources, all the money, all the luxuries in life, to stay grounded. Not that I'm saying Yatinder Singh is not grounded. He is a very nice human being, very much grounded person. I'm saying like somewhere you don't see that need, or you don't have the time to maintain certain basic things which took you where you are today, right? Exercising, working out, staying fit. A healthy body is definitely a host of a healthy mind, right? So we need to take care of our health. I think that is one of the most essential aspects. Like in a day, you have 24 hours, of which say you spend around 8 hours sleeping, 9 to 10 hours working. The remaining time, just have a 40 minutes or 45 minutes of time working out daily, at least, and meditating. That goes a long way. It's not that in a day you will feel a difference, but that habit, once it builds, it will definitely help you through tough times. Second thing what I wanted to say is that many a times we do things because we love to do them, right? Like maybe when Yatinder Singh started his bodybuilding career, he came into it for the love of it, right? And he achieved great things in his career in bodybuilding. He got fame, got recognition. But sometimes, you become a prey to your own expectations, right? When your expectations keep growing, you always tend to have a moving target. You achieved this, then you want to achieve something more and more, till there comes a time when either you are out of time, or you don't have that urge or zeal or the strength to achieve the targets that in front of you have set, right? The competitive spirit of an individual will keep pushing you, but you should also know when to give up, because Father Time waits for none, and nobody comes out a winner at the end of the day if they stay too long in one, primarily in sports, right? If you staying too long continuously thinking you will be able to perform to the same vigor that you initially were performing when you started your career, that's a delusion that every sportsman have. And so it's also important to know when to quit. There are many more young hungry lions who are also having the same dream that he had when he started, and So it's not just about the knowledge and the desire, it's also about the strength that one has and the raw urge of an individual to achieve certain things at a certain age, right? That drives them towards their goal. So it's important to know when to call it quits. Yeah. Third thing is not to take yourself and your achievements too seriously, neither the successes nor the failures. You know, we become a victim of our own expectations, and at certain point it's not going to be any more about you doing things for the love of it. It becomes like an image retention activity. You are trying to protect an image that you have built in the society, and you tend to lose your originality. And I think I'm not talking about Yatinder Singh in particular. I don't know exactly what he is going through, but somehow I feel that among all the businesses, XYZ things that we start, when success keeps coming in and we people tend to know us, people tend to rely, trust us, then the weight of expectation sometimes becomes too heavy to keep maintaining, and we tend to lose our authenticity and or the fear of so, right? Even to think that whether I'll be able to deliver to my best or to my abilities on the long run, this fear itself brings in a level of anxiety which is hard to deal with sometimes. So I think sometimes it is important, to just step back and take a time off, relax, think in terms of what you did earlier that brought you to this position you are today. Appreciate that, be grateful about it, and stop being in a competition all the time. In an infinite game, there is no winner. So enjoy life the way it is. Be grateful of where you stand, what you have earned. Enjoy your earnings. You can always keep earning, have craving or desire to earn more, and in that desire you don't even enjoy what you have earned so far. So appreciate what you have in life, appreciate the time that you are having with your family, cherish those moments, and take care of yourself more than more than important than taking care of others. You should also remember that as a man, if you are having the responsibility of your family, if you don't take care of your own self, right, and something happens to you in the process, then the ones that you leave behind will be the ones that suffer. Yeah. So set your priorities right. You don't need to satisfy everyone. Be authentic, and be grateful to life. Well, that's all that I had to share. There are so many things more that I can say, but these are certain things which I have also felt in my life when I was going through tough times, and some of these learnings that I shared with you today are directly my own experiences. Maybe as in when you guys get to know me more, I will share some of those stories, but I think this is enough for today. I felt it's very important that I express my views about this Yatinder Singh incident, and I am 100% sure, I'm telling you this, I am quite sure I'll be surprised if Yatinder Singh is not out of this zone, right, in the next 6 to 8 months. the type of person that he is, I'm 100% sure that he will be out of it. But for all the rest of us, you know, even for me, right, I need to remind myself this. That's the reason I record this. Like in future, again, whenever it can happen. If this sort of situations occur, I can watch this video and see what I really wanted to relate to. You know. So yeah, with that thought, keep living life and enjoying it. Take care. Bye.